All right, family, how you all doing? Welcome back to your very own channel, Travel Walkthrough and Beyond. I'm your host Nitin, and it's such a bright, warm, sunny afternoon, and I'm just gonna chill today. It's Sunday, and you can see the sun right at the top of my head, above my head, and I'm just gonna walk to a nearby place which is through the park. So I just discovered this place while I used to come here for my daily routine, and so I'm going to show you some really interesting places. In the meanwhile, let me just show you around a little. It's I think springtime almost, and you can see a very good landscaping and plantation flowers that are blooming right now. Yes, and this is just the beginning. So usually every day, but especially on the weekends, if you're to come out here in this park, then you'll see some massive amounts of crowds gather to spend a lovely day or afternoon or evening just chilling out in the sun, soaking the sun, having a ball of a time, having picnic. You'd see a lot of children dancing, and I think they also have some camp they've put up today. Hi, Small. How are you? Yeah, I think that's some camp. So there is a way that cuts right through the park to a nearby place which is called the Begumpur village. So I've been exploring a little beyond my routine also, on the lookout for some healthy food options or food options in general. So it's been completion of 8 weeks, that is 2 months, so feeling really excited about it, and it's going to be the start of the week 9 next, and so we just have 4 more weeks, so 2 months done and another month to go. So, and the weight still sticks to 79, so not really sure what's going to happen, but it's going to be really interesting to see. So let's see about that. And I've ordered, my old shoes have worn out, so I've ordered a pair of new shoes, running shoes for myself, which is also going to help me with my walking or running on a daily basis. So meanwhile, while I wait for my shoes to arrive, I'm just going to have a little break and fix my feet, and also do some focus on the food part, have a lots of good food and dietary calcium, and like a lot of curd, or not the kolari because the processing time is more, something else maybe for the calcium. So I just had a fruit, one banana before coming. That's all I've had since the morning, and I also got a burley, and I had to take care of some chores. But now I'm walking to this pathway which cuts through the park, and I'm going to show you a really cool place that I've discovered. So I'll see you there next. So as you can see on my side, there is vegetable vendors out here. So it's a vegetable market, like a farmer's market, and you get all varieties of vegetables, including even the red yellow capsicum and broccoli and some other fancy stuff along with some basic stuff. That's really, really fresh. Just love the color of the tomatoes. So I think they open the market in the morning around 8, and after that around afternoon around this time they shut it down for a while temporarily before they open it again after lunch, I guess, or maybe early evening around 3 or 4. So that's when you'll see a lot of people gather here. There is another shop on the way where you get samosas and you get chowmin and momos over here. So I've tried this too, and I'll show you this some other day. The thing is that I had made a video about it and I was going to post sometime earlier, but due to some server technical issues, that video's audio got spoiled for some reason, but I'm gonna post it again. And then there is this another humble shop. So this is another place to have dinner for a very economical price. दोस्त कैसे हैं? बढ़िया जी. कैसा? That was the little man Anshul, a very, very nice sweet boy. He lends his hand to his father after coming from school in the evening in his business, and that's a great thing to do. So that's another eat out joint, and I'll show you that sometime soon in one of the upcoming videos. But right now I'm going to take you to this place where I'm going to have my brunch. So see you. So there are lots of small grocery stores on the way, and so you can almost get anything from food to vegetables to fruits. Almost everything. Another shop. Yes, sir. This one is a very special one called Haji Motel. So, yes, sir. It's another place. So, for all you non-veg lovers out there, they don't have biryani, this shop, though you saw a lot of handis here, but they have nihari, mutton, chicken curry, and everything else that goes for the non-veg lovers. And the tandoori roti that they have is the khamiri roti, which is very different and good compared to the tandoori roti. So that's another option that I've explored. Another grocery store, another on the side. पराठा मिल जाएगा? पराठा आलू के मिल जाएगा? 2 पराठे करा दो आलू. Okay, so we are here, and let me just show you another shop, Deen Dayal Mishti shop. कैसे हो जी? बन रहा है, अभी तैयार हो रहा है सामान? हाँ? नहीं नहीं, अभी थोड़ी देर में आता हूँ. वही बनेगा ना सब कुछ, लौंग लता भी वो भी है. टाइम 4 बजे समोसा बनेगा अभी. चाय मिल जाएगी अभी? ठीक है, चाय मिल जाएगी. ठीक है ठीक है. Okay, so I am here at this place, and it's such a euphoric moment. So I recently found out one of the days I just walked through the park in order to explore, and I found out that there's so many cool options out here to have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So there's another one up ahead. I covered that sometime earlier, but that video also got spoiled. So let me see if the guy is still there. I'll show you a glimpse. Though I'm going to have aloo pyaz paratha today for the breakfast brunch, and I'll cover the other guy up ahead another time for sure. But let me just show you a glimpse of it. अरे ये कैसे है पपीता? पपीते वाली 70 रुपए दाल में पकी। Such a cute small papita for reference. ये ऐसे भी आते हैं और इसको कैसे खाने में? बढ़िया एकदम डेढ़ डाल के पपीते अच्छे तो बढ़िया है। ये कार्बेट से नहीं। ला भैया मार लिया। Just love the color of it. कैसे हो? किस नाम से था? सीताराम छोले भटूरे। सीताराम। उस दिन वो वीडियो का ऑडियो खराब हो गया, पता नहीं क्या हुआ। वही मैं सोच रहा था, वीडियो तो दिखाई नहीं थी। वो ऑडियो खराब हो गया, फिर से शूट करूँगा आके एक दिन, कल परसों में, हैं? अभी वैसे दिखा देता हूँ। सीताराम। और आपका नाम क्या था? राजन। राजन। विकास राजन। Okay, so as you can see in my background, it's Sitaram Chole Bhature, and so this guy opens the shop around this time, or maybe slightly early in the morning, around 9-10ish. कितने बजे खुलती है? 8 बजे। और पूरा दिन रहती है शाम 4। So he opens in the morning 8 and till afternoon 4 you'll find him. So he sells chole bhature, and then he also has rice, so he also serves chole along with the rice. So that's bhatura. इसमें स्टफिंग भी है, होती है ना? कुछ स्टफिंग भी होती है ना? So that's one hot bhatura. So this guy is preparing the bhaturas out of the dough. So he's just going to put a plate for someone, and I'll show you. प्लेट लग रही है क्या कोई? लगा। वो लगी है। आप क्या खाने हैं? भटूरे लेना है। 2 प्लेट पैक है छोले भटूरे। So you can see already crowds gathering. आप खाओगे? नहीं अभी नहीं। उसके लिए मैं फिर से आऊँगा। अभी कोई प्लेट लगा रहे हो तो फिर दिखानी। अच्छा अभी कोई प्लेट नहीं लग रही। अभी पैकिंग। So basically I'm going to cover it separately, a standalone video just of this shop Sitaram Chole Bhature, but just wanted to show you a glimpse of the coming up next one of these items. So it tastes really good. So once I cover this place, I'll give you a more detailed review about how the Chole Bhature tastes. Hello. I see some Herald joint. Hi, over here. Another fruit vendor on the way. The papayas are really good, but I've already got one which lasts me for 2 or 3 days. It's a really big one, more than 2 kgs. So once that's finished, then I'll buy another one. So meanwhile, my parathas are getting prepared, and this man over here is also preparing his samosas. And the evening, after 4 p.m. you will find long lata also. हो गया? नहीं और चाय ले लो. So खाना. They are making the parathas. That's a separate place for making rotis. Tawa roti chapati. Let me show you a good. So there are 2-3 people dedicatedly engaged in the making of only and only tawa roti pulka because of the high demand, and you can see people have gathered here for their morning meals, breakfast or brunch. So they make back-to-back tawa rotis and they serve you there. So I've ordered my aloo pyaz paratha and I'm going to have it, and then I'll give you the review. लगा दिया पराठा?
जो पराठा
बटर थोड़ा लगा. So I guess all the tables are full. So I'm gonna have to wait a bit. So I'll see you in a while once I get my table, and I'll taste it and tell you. See that? That's the reason to come out here to dine, and it looks even more beautiful in the night. Welcome back. So my parathas are here. So I ordered the aloo pyaz paratha. So I'm going to have 2 aloo pyaz paratha along with some chai bolo, along with some curd and achar. Amazing. King of paratha is always aloo paratha. So that's 2 aloo pyaz paratha with some achar, mixed achar, and this is some curd. That's a 20 rupees curd bag thali that you get at Mother Dairy probably. So it's a very nice thick curd. So, and these parathas are not fried on a pan or a tawa. These are tandoori parathas, so you can call them baked. So I thought that it will be okay to have this, and I asked them to apply only a little bit of butter. So I'll just enjoy my parathas and I'll give you a review. I forgot something really important. Chai. It's from the nearby shop, Deen Dayal Mishti shop, that I'm also going to cover next separately. But so they get the tea from that shop over there, and this tea is really, really tasty. It's a must try, one of the best teas and the parathas in the neighboring area that I've ever tried. So, cheers. Chiku Sapota. Beautiful looking papaya. Benefits of coming out here. picked up some rotis for my babies. All right, so breakfast, brunch done, sun bath done, and what a lovely afternoon. आ जाओ दूध पियेंगे, आ जाओ. There is one more, he's coming. Chalo, bye. Okay. All right then. Breakfast, brunch done for everyone. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Hanuman. Har Har Mahadev.